2.2008 Chrysler PT Cruiser 4-doors car. This vehicle features the following equipment: automatic, gas I4, 2.4 L148, FWD front-wheel drive, tires front all-season, tires rear all-season, wheel covers, steel wheels, temporary spare tire, power steering, front disc rear drum brakes, rear spoiler, intermittent wipers, variable speed intermittent wipers, cloth seats, bucket seats, pass-through rear seat, power outlet, adjustable steering wheel, engine immobilizer, trip computer, tire pressure monitor, power windows, power door locks, security system, keyless entry, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo, CD player, driver vanity mirror, passenger vanity mirror, driver airbag, passenger airbag sensor, front side airbag, child safety locks.